going to be replacing the palm rest in a Dell 113110. So you just want to flip the unit over and loosen the bottom cover screws. Now you can just pop the bottom cover off. Now you just want to take out all the screws in the palm rest. Remove the motherboard screws. Now you can start disconnecting everything. You can disconnect the battery, the speakers. You can take off these brackets and disconnect the LCD cable. You can take off the Wi-Fi bracket to disconnect the Wi-Fi cables. You can take this bracket off over here too. Now you can remove the battery, remove the speakers, then you just want to disconnect the touchpad ribbon and the keyboard ribbon, and then carefully take out the motherboard. And then to get the palm rest out, you just want to lift up and then it'll come out. And now you can grab your new palm rest and line it up with the hinges. Then once the hinges are down, you can put the motherboard back in. Now you can put the speakers back in. Make sure that the one with the wire hanging off the top of it goes on the left side. There's an R and an L to indicate which way they go. Then you could just place the battery back in. You can start reconnecting everything. So you can reconnect the speakers, the keyboard ribbon, touchpad ribbon, the Wi-Fi cables, can reconnect the LCD cable and the battery. Then you can put the brackets back onto the motherboard. And now you can put the screws back in. Then you can pop the bottom cover back on. And tighten the bottom cover screws. If you want to verify the repair, you can just open up the unit, plug in your AC adapter if you need it, hold the power button, and if the unit turns on, that means it was successful, so then you can just shut the unit off.